Dreaming of turning your old desktop into a crypto-generating powerhouse? Well, hold on a sec, because mining Ethereum on your desktop is like trying to catch fish in the desert. Why? Let's talk about why. Back in the day, Ethereum mining needed some serious horsepower. Think a beefy graphics card, at least 4 gigabytes of RAM, a stable internet connection, and a decent power supply to handle all that processing. These were the bare necessities for getting started. To get started, you'd need to download mining software. Popular choices used to be Phoenix Miner, Trex Miner, or similar programs. You would then extract the files and open the configuration file with a text editor. Within the config file, you would need to paste in your Ethereum wallet address, so the mining software knows where to send your rewards. You would also choose a mining pool to join. These pools combine the computing power of many miners, increasing the chances of finding a block. Here's the catch: Ethereum made a huge change called the merge. It moved from a proof-of-work system, which required mining, to a proof-of-stake system, which doesn't. That means your desktop can't mine Ethereum anymore. You would be wasting electricity with no rewards to come back. But don't give up yet. You can explore mining other cryptocurrencies that still use proof-of-work, like Ravencoin or Ergo. Do your research, find a coin you're interested in, and see if your hardware can handle it.